Hi, welcome to another video of Ryobi review. So not too long ago I did a video about how many wheel nuts you can take out with the high torque impact, high torque impact wrench, and I was using a 4 amp hour battery, and then find out how much you could take out with that. I'll link the video up there, and then today I want to try it with the 6 amp hour battery, and then we'll see how many of the wheel nut we can take out. So I just installed this wheel here. I torqued all the wheel nut at 500 foot-pound. We're only going to use one wheel on this truck to do the test, so I'm gonna take all the wheel nuts off. I'm gonna put them back on using the same gun, but I'll switch the battery. I just have one 6 amp hour battery, so I'll switch it to the 4 amp hour battery here, and then I'll retorque the wheel nuts, and then we'll take them off again, and then we can see and count how many wheel nuts we can take out with that 6 amp hour battery. So yeah, that's the high torque PBLW01. Alright, let's get that test started. So I got the torque wrench right here, ready to go, set up at 500 foot-pound. I'm going to remove the sound of this video as soon as I start to do the wheel nuts, and I'll put some tunes for you guys so you don't have to hear the rattle that long. Okay, so that used 2 battery bars, so I'm gonna switch the battery, put this wheel back together, and then torque it, and then we'll take off some more wheel nuts. But I'll skip that part in the video so it's not too long for you guys. Okay, so those are all torque. Put the 6 amp hour battery back in. Oh, it shows that there's 3 bars now, so must be like 2, 3, right in between. Okay, so we'll go ahead and take those out. Okay, well, I guess that's it for that test there. There's 2 bars left. the gun's not working, so I guess it overheat and it's in protection mode right now. Or maybe it's the battery that overheated. Let's put that 4 amp hour battery, see what happens. Yeah, so the gun's okay. It's just the battery that overheats. So with the 4 amp hour it works. Yeah. Okay. I guess that's it for the test there. So we had 10, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 bolts, 16 nuts before the gun kicks out, or the battery kicked out. Yeah, there's no point of going further in the test there. You would have to wait for the battery to cool down anyway. So yeah, hopefully you liked that video. Cheers, see you in the next video.